Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being well equipped with popular features, a fair price. Features also include parking assist system, towing package, cooled seats, hands-free Bluetooth integration, panorama sunroof, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick. With these ratings, we are pleased to show you the 2017 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining, and is priced below $55,000. This vehicle has less than 6,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, remote engine start, navigation system, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, backup camera, Bluetooth. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.